It took us a while to get in a boat. But we in a boat. And we get ready to head on out to the houseboat. A little breeze and everything. Got the Miss Darren and the Tucker ready to go, so we gonna mosey on out there. I guess we go right on through it. Maybe we can push it to the side a little bit. Come here, Tucker. Oh, look like it's moving. We got a little roadblock. Old floating grass kind of stopped everything up. We're going to take a minute and push it around to the side. And the whole bayou blocked up. It's looking nice out here today. Water not that bad. Looks like it's up a little bit. Tucker said he ready. It looks like the houseboat's still there floating nice and good.
talking about pushing it to where?
The other side, sitting corner.
It looks like it's sitting even to me.
Okay. I got moved a little bit, not too much. Everything looking good out here today. We got the brush on the sides and grew good in the last month. Now Miss Darren happy. She said, finally out here.
It's a pretty day.
He's looking for them alligators. Them alligators are gone. Morning, y'all. Got out here kind of late last night. We're gonna cook us up some bacon and eggs this morning. Keep it open. Thick sliced bacon. Oh, it's smelling good already. Got the Miss Darren catching us dinner again. She got us one. Is she gonna get us two? Serious fisherman right there. What you got right there? Using some old dehydrated shrimp. We should put that in a good spot right there though. Miss Darren got now.
I don't know what it is. Hope it ain't a bull shark.
Look like you're fighting pretty good. Don't leave your pole straight like that. Leave it up. Oh, you hung up?
I don't know. If I'm hung up, why would it have brought it this way when I was thrown out that way?
I don't know.
You got.
I got me and Miss Darren. We done decided we were gonna come pick up these crab traps. I haven't had no bait in them for a week. Might get lucky and get a few crabs in it, but we're gonna find out. But we'll check back with y'all here shortly. Hung up in. Got a bunch of trash on that one.
Got a crab.
Got a couple on this one too.
3.
Huh?
These are nice.
Yeah. Oh, real nice.
I think 5 of them.
strong current, a lot of wind, a lot of trash.
Got a few.
Yeah, got a few again. Alright guys, well we're gonna run and get this picked up. Fighting the wind and the current, kind of hard to video, but we'll be back. See some bait fish jumping around. Three in there. Two keepers and a throwaway. We got some more nice ones.
Yeah. And the bait. Looks like it's hung up.
It's hung up. You got it? That's the current. Got you.
Oh, it was hung up.
Anything? One. That was a bus.
Oh, wow.
You got in there.
Supper.
Big old catfish. Couple small crab. Alright guys, it's the last of the traps. Darren said we got a few this time. Look like a big old female in there. Alright guys, we're gonna get all this boat straightened up and we're gonna head on back in. We'll see what we got when we get back home. Alright guys, we ended up with 16 crab, 7 inches or bigger, and 17 crab between 5 and 7 inches long. Alright guys, we'll cook up our crab here. Trying some I ain't never tried before. A little bit of white vinegar. Some Louisiana crab and crawfish ball. A little bit more. That ought to be enough. And just for some little flavor, I know it ain't Cajun, but we're gonna put some OB in there. Actually tastes pretty good with the OB. Not gonna put a lot. Just a little bit to give it some flavor. Alright. We'll get them balling up and throw them crabs in there and we're gonna be feasting. Here we go guys. Them some pretty crabs right there. And me and Miss Darren, we're gonna enjoy some crabs.
C'est bon.
Alright guys, thank y'all for coming along. And I'd like to give a big shout out to Sam and Joyce, the old couple. It wouldn't have been for Miss Joyce. We would have never thought about trying the eBay or the vinegar stuff. And that turned out to be real good. So if you haven't tried that yet, guys, you ought to try it. I found it's got an awesome flavor.
Really good.
Thank you, guys.